Hello students, this is Monica Chiller, your business studies educator. Today in this video we will be discussing with one of the topic from class 11 chapter 2, right? And the topic is characteristics of joint stock company. I repeat the topic for this video is characteristics of joint stock company, right? Let's start with it. There are different features or characteristics of joint stock company. Like first one is artificial person. Artificial person means company is said as an artificial person because there is a different identity. There is a different identity of the company because it is registered under Companies Act 1956, right? All the transactions will take place by the name of company, not by the name of its members, and the popularity of the company, the identification of the company will be by its own name. As we all are natural human being, in the same way company is an artificial person created by human beings, right? Now moving to the next point is separate legal existence. Separate legal existence means company and its members both have different identities. I repeat, company and its members both have different or unique identities. Company is named by its own name. As we all are having their own name, right? We are, or our identification is by our own name. In the same way, company has its legal existence by its own name in the eyes of law, right? Legally company exists in the market by its own name. Now the next characteristic of joint stock company is registration. Registration means it is very compulsory or it is mandatory to register the company under Companies Act 1956. I repeat, Companies Act 1956, right? And this act was amended in 2013. When it was amended? In 2013. So it is compulsory to register the company. Fine. Now the next feature of the company is perpetual succession. Perpetual succession means forever. The company will go for forever. There will be no effect on the functioning of the company by the exit and entry of its members. By the exit and entry of its members. Few members can leave the company, then other members will join the company, but the functioning of the company will go in the same way. Means company will proceed for forever till it is not planned for the end, right, or for the shutdown. So perpetual succession is one of the characteristic of joint stock company. Now the last feature, that is common seal. Common seal means the logo or symbol or name of the company. Each company or organization is named by its own symbol or identified by its own name or symbol. For example, Puma, there is a symbol of Puma, right? Your school example you can take, Shri Rama Bharati Public School, it's the name, and logo you can see on the iCard or on your notebooks. So this is for identification of the organization. There is a common seal as a feature of joint stock company, right? Next one is transferability of shares. Transferability of shares means the ownership can be changed of the shares. There is free buying and selling of the shares in the share market, right? Suppose if I have invested amount into the share of a company and after some time I want to sold out, then yes, I can, because there is free transferability of shares. This is all about characteristics of the company. Fine. The next topic, that is merits and demerits, we will discuss in the next video.